In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Weebly to Shopify. First, let's get started by logging into your Weebly account. Once you're in, you're going to want to navigate over to the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. From the dashboard, look for the Account Settings option. This option acts as your portal to various domain configurations and settings. Go ahead and click on it. Next, within the Account Settings, find the Domains section. This is the hub for all things related to the domain names that you own. You'll see a list of your domains if you have more than one. Carefully select the domain that you wish to transfer. Remember, if you have only one domain, this will be pretty straightforward. Once you click on your domain, it's time to make that domain ready for transfer. The next step is crucial: unlocking your domain. In Weebly, domains are often kept locked by default to prevent unauthorized transfers. You'll need to find the option to unlock the domain. This usually involves a simple toggle or button click. By unlocking it, you're telling Weebly that it's alright to let this domain go to a new host. Remember to save any changes you make during this process. After unlocking, we need to retrieve the transfer authorization code. This code is like a key to your domain. Find the option that lets you request this code. It might be labeled something like Get Authorization Code or Transfer Code. Copy this code carefully as you will need it to complete the transfer to Shopify. Now, we're shifting over to Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and go to the admin dashboard. You'll want to find the Online Store section on the left-hand menu. Click on it and then find domains, which should be listed under there. This is where we will make Shopify aware of the new domain you wish to bring over. Locate the Connect Existing Domain or Transfer Domain option. The wording might vary but should generally be similar. Click on this option and Shopify will prompt you for your domain name. Enter it precisely as it appears in your Weebly settings to avoid any mishaps. When prompted, enter the authorization code you obtained from Weebly. After entering, proceed as directed by Shopify's prompts to initiate the transfer process. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations from both Weebly and Shopify. The transfer process can take up to a few days to complete, so it's important to be patient. During this period, keep checking both your email and Shopify dashboard for updates on the transfer status. Once complete, your domain will be live and operational on Shopify, ready to direct your visitors to your store. And that wraps up our video tutorial on transferring a domain from Weebly to Shopify. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time.